You're probably seeing AI everywhere, on your feed, in your inbox, at work, and wondering, okay, but how do I turn this into actual income, not just cool demos? That's exactly what we're doing today. In this video, I'll walk you through 12 concrete real-world AI use cases that can put money in your pocket and hours back in your week. Not vague start a business advice, specific workflows you can plug into your freelancing, job, or side hustle starting this week. We'll talk about AI as a research assistant, a writing engine, a sales copy machine, a marketing intern, a data analyst, a coach amplifier, and more. I'll show you how one person with a laptop and the right prompts can suddenly perform like a tiny team. By the end, you'll see exactly how to turn AI from a toy into leverage, so you earn more, work less, and focus on what only humans can do: judgment, relationships, and vision. Here's the mindset shift. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to replace your busy work. The real winners are the people who figure out how to plug AI into their workflows to create leverage, doing more, faster, with the same 24 hours. In this video, we're focusing on use cases that actually pay, skills and systems you can attach directly to revenue, clients, or career advancement. Whether you're a freelancer, creator, employee, or entrepreneur, you'll find at least one model you can steal and customize. We'll move quickly, but stay until the end, because I'll show you how to stack several of these ideas into a simple, high-leverage system you can run in just a few hours per week. And if you're into practical, no-fluff breakdowns like this, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss the next deep dive. Now, let's start with your new AI research assistant. Use case number 1, AI as your on-demand research assistant. Almost every money-making activity starts with understanding a market, a problem, or a niche, and most people do this painfully slowly. Here's the leverage. Instead of spending hours on scattered Google searches, you have AI summarize the landscape for you in minutes. For example, you can prompt, act as a market researcher, analyze the top 10 problems freelance designers face when finding clients, group them, prioritize them, and suggest underserved angles. You can use this for client discovery, YouTube topic ideas, offer validation, competitive analysis, even understanding a new industry before a job interview or sales call. Pair AI with your own critical thinking. Cross-check key points. Ask for sources, and then drill deeper into anything interesting. The result? You're the person who always shows up prepared, with insights that feel like you have a quiet research team behind you. Use case number 2. AI as your script and content drafting engine. If content can attract attention and leads, then consistent content is income leverage, and AI kills the blank page. Say you're a YouTuber, blogger, or LinkedIn writer. Instead of staring at an empty doc, you feed AI a simple brief: your niche, your audience, the promise of the piece, and your rough outline. Prompt: you are a senior content strategist. Draft a 10-minute video script about X in Y tone with Z structure. Leave room for my personal stories. You're not publishing raw AI output. You're using it as a first draft generator. Your job becomes editing, adding personal experience, tightening the message, and aligning it with your brand. This turns a 3-hour writing task into 45 minutes. More content, higher consistency, same human voice, just with an invisible assistant doing the heavy lifting up front. Use case number 3, AI crafted sales and outreach copy. Whether you're freelancing, selling digital products, or prospecting for clients, most people hate writing outreach, and they're bad at it. AI can help you quickly generate structured, personalized messages that don't sound robotic. For example, act as a senior sales copywriter. Write a concise outreach email to a SaaS founder, offering a free audit of their onboarding emails. Use this LinkedIn profile and website copy for context. Keep it under 120 words, specific and value-focused. You can generate multiple versions, then A/B test subject lines and calls to action. You can also create follow-up sequences, DM scripts, and landing page copy in batches. Again, the money isn't in pressing generate. It's in understanding the psychology and then using AI to turn your ideas into polished words at scale. So you send 20 quality messages in the time it used to take to write 3. Use case number 4, the AI-powered niche newsletter. Newsletters can become serious assets, sponsorships, product sales, consulting leads, but curating and writing every week is exhausting. Here's the play. Pick a specific niche, like AI for real estate agents or productivity for new managers. Use AI to scan top blogs, Reddit threads, papers, and news. Prompt: act as a research curator. For niche, find 5 timely insights, summarize each in 2-3 sentences, and suggest a catchy subject line for a newsletter issue. Then ask it to propose hooks, PS lines, and short opinion takes you can rewrite in your own voice. Over time, you develop frameworks and recurring sections. AI just fills them. With consistency, a 1,000 subscriber niche list can support sponsorships, affiliate offers, or your own services, built on a system where most of the heavy research and first draft writing is offloaded to AI. Use case number 5, AI-assisted micro-product creation. Instead of spending months building a huge course, you create small, fast digital products, templates, micro-courses, swipe files, checklists. For example, say you're good at client onboarding. Prompt: act as an operations consultant. Help me design a client onboarding kit for freelance designers. Email templates, questionnaires, timelines, and a simple Notion board structure. You then refine, customize, and package this into a PDF, Notion template, or Gumroad product. AI helps you draft the assets, name the product, write the sales page, and even create a quick FAQ. Price low, deliver real value, and ship fast. As you talk to customers, you use AI again to analyze feedback and generate ideas for V2 or companion products. This is leverage. You turn your existing knowledge plus AI acceleration into assets that can sell repeatedly without trading every hour for money. Use case number 6, AI-powered coaching and consulting amplifiers. If you already coach or consult, or want to, you can use AI to increase your perceived value and actual results. Before a session, you feed AI anonymized notes about the client's situation and ask, act as a strategic advisor. Given this context, outline 5-7 angles I can explore in our next session, with questions to ask and potential frameworks. You show up sharper. After the call, you drop your transcript into AI and ask for a structured action plan, summary, and follow-up email draft. You can even generate custom worksheets or reflection prompts based on what came up. To the client, it feels like you're incredibly organized, thoughtful, and fast. Behind the scenes, AI is doing the formatting, summarizing, and packaging so you can stay focused on human things, listening deeply and making good judgments. Use case number 7, AI as your meeting and knowledge miner. Knowledge is valuable, but only if you can find and reuse it. Most teams and solopreneurs let their notes rot in random docs. Record your calls and meetings with permission, get transcripts, and feed them into AI. Prompt: act as a knowledge management assistant. From this transcript, extract decisions, action items, open questions, key themes, and potential risks. Format as a 1-page summary. Do this for sales calls to discover objections and winning phrases. Do it for client meetings to avoid missing commitments. Do it for your own brainstorming sessions to generate cleaned-up ideas. Over time, you're building a searchable, structured knowledge base from which AI can create SOPs, checklists, FAQs, and even training material for future hires. That's personal leverage. One conversation can be repurposed into multiple assets without extra manual work. Use case number 8. AI-augmented freelance services, what I call done with AI offers. Instead of selling generic services, you explicitly position yourself as someone who uses AI to deliver faster, better outcomes. Examples: A copywriter who uses AI for ideation and testing but still crafts final brand voice. A video editor who uses AI for rough cuts, captions, and thumbnails. A social media manager who uses AI to generate content variations and schedule experiments. You're transparent. I use AI heavily behind the scenes to move faster, but you're paying for my taste, strategy, and experience. Clients care about results and reliability, not whether your assistant is silicon or human. This lets you charge premium rates while still being highly efficient. The key is to define clear, repeatable workflows where AI handles the mechanical tasks and you handle the high-level judgment calls. Use case number 9, AI for data and spreadsheet magic. So many high-paying problems live inside messy CSVs and confusing dashboards. If you can be the person who makes sense of the numbers, you become valuable fast. Tools like ChatGPT with spreadsheet plugins or dedicated AI analytics tools can help you clean data, spot trends, and present insights clearly, even if you're not a hardcore data scientist. Example prompt. Act as a business analyst. I'll paste a table of monthly revenue by channel, clean obvious issues, then summarize key trends, anomalies, and 3 hypotheses for why channel X is declining. Suggest 5 experiments to run next month. You then verify, refine, and present those insights. Attach this skill to roles like marketing, ops, finance, or performance coaching, and suddenly you're not just helpful, you're directly hitting revenue, which is where higher pay lives. Use case number 10, AI as your 24/7 marketing intern. Most small businesses and solopreneurs know they should be everywhere online, but creating tailored content for each platform is overwhelming. You can draft one core piece, a blog post, podcast, or video, then use AI to repurpose it into tweets, LinkedIn posts, email snippets, Instagram captions, and even short video scripts. Prompt: act as a content repurposing engine. Here is a 1,000-word article. Turn it into 5 LinkedIn posts, 10 tweets, 3 YouTube short scripts, and 2 email hooks. Match this tone. Paste sample. You review, tweak, and schedule. Instead of spending 10 hours a week trying to be active on social, you spend 90 minutes polishing AI-assisted drafts while still sounding like you. If you attach this ability to your role or offer, I'll repurpose your CEO's ideas everywhere. You become a leverage multiplier, which is very billable. Use cases 11 and 12 are about you, your skills, and your offers. First, AI for accelerated learning and career upskilling. Instead of random YouTube rabbit holes, treat AI like a personalized tutor. Prompt: act as a senior mentor in field. Design a 30-day learning plan to reach intermediate level with daily tasks, practice exercises, and project ideas. Adapt based on my schedule, 45 minutes per day. You then ask it to quiz you, explain concepts with analogies, and critique your work. You're compressing months of wandering into focused sprints. Second, AI-assisted offer design and pricing. Prompt: act as a pricing strategist. Given these skills and past projects, suggest 5 productized service offers, including scope, deliverables, ideal clients, and price ranges. You won't accept everything blindly, but you'll get structured starting points. Combine your judgment with AI's pattern matching, and you can design offers that are clearer, more valuable, and easier to sell. Let's zoom out and connect the dots. Across all 12 use cases, there's one pattern. AI is best used as an amplifier, not an autopilot. It handles the repetitive, mechanical, and generative work. Research, first drafts, summaries, repurposing, so you can pour your energy into judgment, taste, relationships, and execution. You saw how AI can turn you into a faster researcher and writer. Multiply the impact of your coaching, consulting, and freelancing. Help you create digital products and content systems. Make you the person who can translate data and knowledge into action. The money comes from pairing AI with context, a specific niche, problem, or audience you care about. AI gives you speed and volume. You bring empathy, decisions, and follow through. If you adopt that mindset, every new tool becomes an opportunity to add leverage to what you already do rather than a threat to your livelihood. Now it's time to turn ideas into action. Don't try to implement all 12 use cases at once. Pick one area where money is already nearby for you, clients, your job, your audience, and ask, where is the busy work? Where am I slow or inconsistent? Then choose the matching AI use case from this video and commit to building a simple workflow around it this week. Document what works, save your best prompts, turn repeated steps into checklists or templates. That's how you transform experiments into durable leverage. If this breakdown helped clarify how AI can actually pay, not just entertain, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss future deep dives like this. Drop a comment telling me which use case you're going to try first, or share a workflow you're already using that others can steal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.